Welcome to her haven. Today, let's go pick the beautiful, colorful vegetable. Let's start with these purple eggplant. Look at this. Aren't they just so beautiful? This is perfect size for any kind of cooking. Look at how beautiful they are. Next, let's move on to the Thai eggplants. Look at this Thai eggplants. They are again the perfect size for cooking. I've got quite a few, and I've got quite a few different dishes to cook. I will also preserve some of these by freezing them up for the winter. Both the Thai eggplants and the regular purple eggplants, I can freeze them up and they will make good soup in the winter time. Again, look at how beautiful they are. I just love these. They're just so pretty. Now we are moving on to the sweet pepper. These are also good for stir fry as well as preserve them for winter. So here we are. I collected all my beautiful, colorful vegetables. Now I am ready to go do some cookings. Thank you.